Hi guys, welcome back to Plovdiv. The previous episode featured the old town, the ancient stadium, the mosque, and the clock tower. In today's video, we will continue exploring, but I will mainly focus on the hipster district Kapana, the murals, graffiti walls, and some other modern landmarks of Plovdiv. So let's get back to where we left off. I have ended the last episode at the ancient part of Plovdiv. There is so much to discover in the architectural complex, but at the same time I have some favorite spots which I like to revisit, like this gorgeous church St.Knstantine and Elena. Situated in the heart of the old part of town, on the wall of the Acropolis, this is one of the oldest churches in the city. The fortress gate Hisar Capia is one of the tourist attractions in the old town of Plovdiv. The gate was built in the 11th century AD on top of the foundations of a gate from Roman times. This is the monument of Crazy Milo. He was a character known to many people because he hanged around the city center and he enjoyed joking with the people passing by. The Together sign represents the slogan of Plovdiv as the European Capital of Culture in 2019. And now let's explore Kapana. Kapana is the hipster area in Plovdiv and it has lots of trendy restaurants and cafes. The district has emerged as a center for crafts 5 centuries ago, and the streets still carry their old names such as Kožuharska, the street of the leather, or Zlatarska, the street of the gold. The name Kapana means a trap, maybe because once you get in, it's difficult to get out. The buildings are covered in murals and graffiti, and this is the liveliest spot in Plovdiv. The main artists are Stern, Nassimo, Rocket01. I also saw a mural from Bosco and other artists who covered the walls with murals between 2013 and 2019. The street art started attracting a lot of youngsters who began to cherish Kapana as a special local spot. This mural is called Peace, and the person behind this large canvas is Nassimo, a pioneer of Eastern European graffiti and art culture.
Ah ben on peut peut-être prendre la grande avenue là-bas.
You can find street art in the area of Kapana and behind the building of the drama theater. And of course, there are many more places, but this is what I have come across during my day trip to Plovdiv. I'm heading towards the street behind the drama theater. This mural was created by one of the best local artists, Stern. If you want to know more about the most significant historical sites of Plovdiv, you can watch my video Plovdiv, the oldest living city in Europe.
Là, je vais bien, on parle